Hello, this is KP Dherigaudar. Welcome to my video classes. Glad to receive you. Thank you for watching my videos. Still not subscribed? Subscribe my channel. Like, share, everything you can do. Okay, today I am going to teach you some tricks in decimal division and multiplication. Some are asking equal to 1, whereas I am asking here equal to 18. What is this equal to 18? See, all these if made neutral, this is not a decimal you can think. See, this is 21, this is 6, this is 1 you can think. Neutralizing I am. So that this 0 makes something difference now. As in multiplication, this point will go and come this side, right side it will come, isn't it? And in division, it goes left. See, as we discussed in a previous class, 0.7 into 10 is equal to 7 it is. 1 point, right side it goes. And 0.7 divided by 10 is left side it come. This. See what here it was point, whereas it came left up that. Isn't it? Here what happens? All neutralized. This is 21 into 6 into 1 into 7. Same all it is. It means that 7 1s are 7 3s are 21, 3 6s are 18 comes. Whether it is 0.8, 18 or else 180 or else 1.8, like this it will come, isn't it? Then how we have to find this? If you go on calculating this, your time will be ended. So, what trick you have to use in finding equal to 18? See, one place is there. Here, nothing. 1 0, 1 0 8, one place. So, nothing. If one place came now, then it might be 18. Whereas here, one place, nothing. Nothing means it is 7. Okay. Here one place, whereas here 2 places. No. This is cheating. In decimal nothing is there. So only one place. Yes. One place by one place is equal to 18 it is. See. Because already we know that its value will be coming 18 or else 1.8 or else 180 or else 0.18, whichever may. This is our answer. Whereas why these two are not our answers, we have to go. 2 places. And here nothing. Nothing. Because 21 into 6 it is. In decimal nothing is there, nothing. And here one place. What is this one place, nothing? What I am telling you is, this is equal to 1 now. One place by one place is equal to, this is everything. Our 18 came here. Isn't it? See here, one place means what? 21 6s are. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 126. One place. In decimal, one place is there. Here nothing means what? 10 7s are 7 it is. Because this 0 8, this. One place up. Right side. Here it is what? 12.6 it is. Here it is what? 0.7 it is. Isn't it? See. And what happens here is 7. One place gone and it became 126. Isn't it? Then what happens here is 7 1s are 7, 1s are 7, what remained? 5 remain. 7 8s are 56. Then it is 18 na? And here what happens? 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, whereas 5 remains. 6 from where you are taking? From decimal side you are taking. So 1.8 came. And 2 places means what it is? Sorry, 1.26 it is, whereas here it is nothing means 7. Then value will be what comes? 0.18 comes. Isn't it? And here nothing means it is purely 126. No places are there, no decimal points are there, no decimal places are there. So here it means 0.7. Here it is nothing, and one place means 0.7. Then how you are doing this? One place upping means it became 1260. So it will become 180. See, I told you before only. 1.8 it may, 0.18 it may, or else 18 it may, 1800 it may. Where the 118 comes na, there it is your answer. It may be asked equal to 1, equal to 2, equal to 3, whichever may. Equal to 0.5 they may ask. Whatever. You have to treat it as 5. Then how it comes, likewise you can go. Okay, I thought you understood. Conclude this. Again I am coming with new videos. Equal to 1, that, this. Learn this. Okay, thank you.